Disclaimer, if you do not like to be inspired, if you do not like loud, strong, confident women, now is your time to either fast forward straight to the recipe or probably just turn away, because I'm not going to be the one for you. If you are like that and you do want some inspiration and you do love large women who express themselves with fashion, then I'm here to say, welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. Scandal! I am your chef, Charisse, and today we're going to make a vegan tzatziki sauce. And I am so excited because, as you guys know, we made the pita. So we're going to make this sauce, and let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is thank Liz for these awesome new measuring cups. This is about 1/3 of a cup of mayo. I'm actually using just mayo. Normally I do Hellmann's, but for something like a tzatziki, I want a thicker mayo, and the just mayo seems to be a lot thicker than the Hellmann's. And you guys, they're like so cheap at Walmart, so like get on that. But these measuring spoons and these measuring cups, she said she got at Walmart, and they have like 1/8 of a cup, 3/4 of a cup, 2 cup, like a pinch, a dash, and a smidgen. They're amazing. So thank you, Liz, for that. So we have 1/3 of a cup of our just mayo, which is vegan mayonnaise, and then we have 1/4 of a cup of full fat coconut milk. You guys, don't fuck around. Like, get the full fat. Like, I'm not kidding around with you. Make sure it is full fat. And then we're going to add about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. You can certainly use fresh squeezed lemon juice. I would highly suggest that, but I didn't have a lemon, so fuck it. We're gonna put that in there for a little acidity. And then we're gonna do about 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. I chose to do the roasted garlic powder because you know I have a problem. And so a little bit of fresh cracked sea salt and fresh cracked, oh my God, get out of there, you little bitch. And fresh cracked black pepper. And then, we have about, I guess I would say it's like 2 teaspoons of freshly chopped dill. Fresh dill, you guys, super important. We're just gonna kind of whisk this up and see how it's nice and thick because we used the full fat coconut milk. And then we're gonna take half of a cucumber. Again, another shout out, Sharon, thank you so much for these beautiful cucumbers from your garden. What I did, like I did with our sushi, is I seeded it and we used about half of it. So we're gonna now put that in there, and some of that cucumber juice is going to help make it a little bit liquidy too. So traditionally tzatziki is made with like a Greek yogurt, but obviously we can't do that because we're vegan, right? You guys, that's it. Like, there's your tzatziki. Like, that's fucking it. You guys, look at our tzatziki. Oh, girl, like that looks like legit AF. So I'm gonna take a bite of it as per usual, and because I just really want to eat it. Girl, like that just tastes like regular ass tzatziki sauce to me. I wouldn't know it was vegan. Oh my God, it's so good. Okay, so if you want the full written recipe, go to my website, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Make sure you guys subscribe so you get notifications. Hit that little bell button so you get the notifications when I put up a new video. And if you guys can guess, you probably know what video is coming next. We got the pita, we got the tzatziki. What could be next? And thank you all seriously so much for all of your support, because I love doing this and I love being just me. And so to know that I'm inspiring you guys to do the same, it just means the world to me. And I definitely want to give a super huge shout out to Shelly. Shelly, you have been like such, like, I thought I was like, oh, like I'm big, but I'm confident. But you, girl, like you really have given me so much confidence to really put myself out there and like do fashion and feel the way that I want to feel. So like, I just want to say thank you so incredibly much. And you guys, again, follow me on social media. If you make any of my recipes, I want to see them. And I will catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, I will read up, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.